So I'm going to offer you cold breathing. Cold breathing is a way to trick your body into calming itself down. So everybody take your tongue, put it behind the back of your bottom teeth, like that. Okay, so we're going to do the Princess Bride test just to make sure that you have this down. So everybody repeat after me. Tongue behind the back of your teeth. Love, true love, is a magical experience. I'm sorry about splitting on you. This is the splash. They didn't give you the splash zone? Okay, all right. All right, this is the last one. Ready? This is the ultimate Princess Bride test. Repeat after me. Take your tongue, put it upon the back of your bottom teeth. Princess Buttercup. Okay, so if you said it the way that you said it, good. So keep your tongue behind the back of your bottom teeth, and now breathe in with your mouth. And breathe out. One more time. Breathe in with your tongue behind the back of your bottom teeth. And breathe out. How many of you feel a cooling sensation into your body? How many of you haven't taken a breath for yourself in like days? I'll breathe tomorrow. It's fine. Not a big deal.